Hello, my name is Alma Jasmine Kusdina. In this video, I want to talk about mental health. Mental health is about our feelings of thinking, our notion, and our moods. Everybody knows how to get after physical health, but looking after all, mentally just is important. Because you can see it, you need to talk about it. We all have different feelings every day. They come and go. You can feel excited, silly, angry, confused, lonely, happy, confident. These are small feelings that we all have every day. What can we do when small feelings are bothering us? Just do whatever you like, or you can bring out your small emotion by drawing or anything. We shouldn't deny our own feeling, because by denying our feeling, the longer they last can become a time bomb that can explode at any time. If your feelings are getting too big to cope with on your own, talking to someone you trust might really help. Mental health is very important because every year 1 in 4 people experience mental disorders. According to World Health Organization, suicide is the second leading cause of death among 15 to 29 years old globally. The negative feelings that we feel are not always bad, even with us being honest with ourselves for what we feel. It makes us know better how to respond to these feelings. We also know better what kind of help we need to maintain our mental health. Acknowledging, validating, and paying attention to our emotion is actually an act to self-love and a way for us to transform. By having this negative emotion doesn't make you a negative person. So we have to take care of our mental health. You can tell how someone feels just by looking at them or what they share online. To the outside world, our lives may look perfect even if in reality they aren't. Feeling down, anger, and stress is normal part of life, just like it's normal to feel happy, confident, and carefree sometimes. We all have positive and negative emotion that come and go based on what's happening around us. Good mental health means experiencing negative emotion is not always about being happy. Mental health is not just talking about disruption. When we are talking about mental health, is how well-being of somebody and how he can realize his potential, productive, then contribute in society, also handle issues, stresses, and daily life. Mental health is daily matter. Our mental got injured when if we fail on something, our mind just want to fun then suck. So that occur the conflict between reality and mind, or we call them in simple term, occur the conflict between reality and expectation. Beside failure, we may be underestimated by others. When this mental injury has disrupt functionally, such as hurting yourself, endangering yourself, or hurting and harming other people, this needs to be taken seriously. If you feel there are indications of mental health issues, it's best if you go to a professional. There's nothing wrong with a checkup like we check up at a doctor, but this is like a mental health checkup to a physiologist or a psychiatrist. And never feel your life ends when you have mental disorders, but you have to keep trying how to make yourself stable again. And you can do what you want to do, and also don't save it all yourself, because there is too much pain that we actually endure in vain. Strong people are people who want to realize their weakness and are willing to allow other people to join hands with him and bring him back to his feet is a strong people.